Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Rio's cooking show. Wow, look, there's letters that say Rio's cooking show right there. Today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs. First, we need an egg. Crack the egg. Put the egg in a bowl. Ah! Break open, you moron. Yummy. Now, do we need 2 eggs?
How hungry are you?
I'm pretty starving, I would
have
say.
2 eggs, yeah.
Now, here we are. We need another egg. Even though at first it's hard for you to do it, if it's hard to open eggs, it's okay. If you see an yolk in the eggs, if you see a shell, get a fork and take the shell out. As simple as that. No little thing we need.
And while you're cooking, you eat a vitamin tablet.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
Well, what, eat a vitamin tablet?
You don't have to eat a vitamin tablet. It's not a crucial step.
Do you want some greens in your scrambled
No,
egg?
now we take some salt,
Going to have some
sprinkle
sweet
it,
avocado.
legs. Now get. Now, if you're like me and you're recording the best cooking show in the whole entire universe of cooking shows, you'd want to take the camera and move it so you can see the pan. Now you're gonna want to turn on the oven to get adult supervision first before doing the oven. Now wait for it. Now when you think it's enough, pour the egg on and show no mercy.
It's probably not hot enough yet, but
What's you making?
scrambled egg.
When you put the this is Rio's cooking show. And while you're waiting for it
Guess
to
what you're having?
finish, you have to get a spatula.
Everyone
Right,
has to have kale now.
Go on.
Do I need to
Yeah.
do the
A
parts, or
spatula.
is it alright?
Now and wait for it
It
to
may last
finish.
night, did it?
Is that alright?
Ooh, look at that, it's hot. I'm going to ask adult supervision before handling a knife.
I think this will be better
Cool.
to scramble than that
Oh,
big
yeah.
spatula.
Okay, now mix it and mix it and mix it.
Maybe all your followers want to see my breakfast.
That is the worst breakfast I've ever seen in the
Where's
world.
that?
And it's not followers on YouTube, it's
Oh,
subscribers.
Sorry, subscribers.
Don't let it fall.
Uh-oh. Dad's shouting at Jack because he's trying to eat the tortoises.
But you know what? I'm using a spatula. I'm using a spatula.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not easy. It's just because it's not hot enough yet. It's not cooking.
Now, while you're waiting,
Ooh,
pretend
okay.
you're a frog for it to cook. Alright, that part is optional.
We'll do Dad's in here.
Oh, it's cooking. So wait, how do we make it add
Pardon?
milk?
Has he hurt it?
What?
How did he get in?
Wait, what?
Jack.
Step. Oh, what's this? This is so step 5. Realise that your granddad's dog who's staying over has tried to just got one of your tortoises in its mouth and be worried about it. Okay, so now get scrambled eggs ready. Okay, now turn. So I just turn the stove off a bit off camera, and I just mix it up a bit more. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get a plate.
Naughty boy.
Bad boy, Jack. And now you're gonna want to get a plate, and you're gonna want to use a spatula or spoon. You can use a spoon if you want. I probably said that before I started using the spatula. You can use a spatula if you want to do it. That's fine. You can use a spoon, but I find using a spatula. I just find spatulas are easier. Ask an adult supervision if you're younger than 10. If you're younger than 10, ask an adult first. Oh. Okay. There was any left. Oh, okay, here we are. Now put what's this for a second?
Do you want any greens in your omelette?
Little bit. They're not really cooked, are they?
I'm going to cook them first.
Yeah,
There
they're
we
a little
are.
bit.
Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to take some omelette. Now we're going to do a taste test of my omelette recipe. It's so good and tasty. Also, don't forget to clean up.